This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode in the Mozilla Firefox app using a mobile device. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE for this, but this should work very similarly on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now. I have the Mozilla Firefox app opened up on my phone. The first thing you need to do is tap on the three-line hamburger menu in the lower right-hand corner. Then you will scroll down and tap on Settings. Now you'll scroll down to where you see Theme and tap on that. If the Use System Light Dark mode is toggled on, you can just toggle it off, and then you can manually toggle on Dark Theme right down here. And that is how you enable Dark Theme in the Mozilla Firefox app. Thanks for watching.